Just don't push me off the couch.
Dang it.
Yeah! 1, 2, 3. Ready? I made a funny.
You made a poop? A funny. Not a stinky.
Did it.
I made you fall off the couch. I made you snort.
Whoa! No! This is my pillow too.
Just take that pillow.
No way. No. Why the person's stretched out?
We messed up the couch. At least Audrey did.
What?
We messed up the couch.
I do not.
Yes, you did.
What do we gotta do?
This.
No, push me! Don't make me snorting. What is that?
Whoops.
Put your shirt down. You gotta say something. So, how's it going? Hey, I think someone else should be in this video.
Coda.
No.
Get the cat out of the park for you. Or at least Archer's.
Shut up. Get my phone, Phil. You're so boring. I'm running out of time.
Watch the cat.
Follow the kitten.
I don't know the song.
Y'all, the cat is like right beside y'all. Do not make her fall.
And you can't make me fall. No, I can't.
No.
Yeah.
You're gonna hit your head.
I gotta pee.
It's not nice to say on this video, Tiara.
Oh, well, I do.
This is boring. I think you should videotape Angela should be in the video.
Yeah.
I'm not getting in any videos.
Why? Tiara?
Well, this is it for today.
No. Tiara has to find my penny.
Penny, whoa.
I'm just gonna steal one of her pennies.
My pen!
Oh, I got some quarters and some dollars and nickels. Oh, I want some pennies. Oh, let's see how much I have. 50. I don't feel like counting that.
Goodbye.